Ladies and gentlemen, let us solve for the value of x in the following equation. That is our equation today that we wish to solve. And before we proceed to solve for the value of x, how I wish that you could subscribe to my YouTube channel. You could comment on the video on this video, and you can also like and you can share to your friends. So let us proceed to find for the value of x in the following equation. This is our equation today that we could wish to solve. So the first step, that is, we can write this as 7 times 3 raised to power x. This x then times 3 raised to power 1. I am breaking this x plus 1. I am breaking this power to base 3. So minus 5 raised to power x times 5 raised to power 2 is equals to, I have also broken this power, that is x plus 2, to base 5. That is 5 raised to power x times 5 raised to power 2. Then is equals to 3 raised to power x times 3 raised to power 4. I have also broken this power. Then minus 5 raised to power x times 5 raised to power 3. So the next step is to collect the like terms. As I can see, we have 3 raised to power x here, and we also have 3 raised to power x on this side. Then we have 5 raised to power x on our, this is the left hand side, and this is the right hand side. So we have 5 raised to power x on our left hand also, and we also have 5 raised to power x on our right hand side. So what we will do is to collect the like terms. So let me have 7 times 3 raised to power x, then times 3 raised to power 1. Then I bring the whole of this to this side, to the right, to the left hand side, not the right hand side, because this is on the right hand side, and if I bring it to the left hand side, it will be minus 3 raised to power x times 3 raised to power 4 is equals to, I also take 5 raised to power x times 5 raised to power 2 to the right hand side. So it will be positive, that is 5 raised to power x times 5 raised to power 2 minus this one, that is 5 raised to power x times 5 raised to power 3. Now, after this, I want to factor out 3 raised to power x in this, that is on our left hand side. If I factor out 3 raised to power x, I will have 7 times 3 raised to power 1. This 7 times 3 raised to power 1 minus, that is 3 raised to power 4, is equals to, if I factor also out 5 raised to power x on our right hand, we will have 5 raised to power x into 5 raised to power 2 minus 5 raised to power 3. Now, 3 raised to power x into 7 times 3 raised to power 1. 3 raised to power 1 is 3 times 7 is 21 minus 3 raised to power 4 is 81 is equals to 5 raised to power x into 5 squared is 25 minus 5 raised to power 3 is 125. Then close the bracket. So 21 minus 81 is negative 60. Then we have here, that is 3 raised to power x is equals to 5 raised to power x into 25 minus 125 will be 100, that is negative 100, and that is negative 100, not any other number, it is negative 100. So what we will do, let us divide here, that is both sides, with negative 60. We want to eliminate this negative 60 on this side, and also we divide by 3, not 3 but by 5 raised to power x, and also here by negative 60 and 5 raised to power x. Negative 60 simplifies with negative 60, then that is 5 raised to power x, and 5 raised to power x simplifies. So on our left hand side we will have 3 raised to power x over 5 raised to power x, which is equals to negative 100 divided by negative 60. So negative and negative goes, so we will have positive. That is 3 raised to power x over 5 raised to power x equals to 100 over 60. So if I simplify 100 over 60, again, this 0 and this 0 goes. So by 2, 3, by 2, 5. So I have on our left hand, that is 3 raised to power x over 5 raised to power x equals to 5 over 3. So what we will do here, 3 over 5 raised to power x is just the same as the whole of this. So I have just factored out the power, that is x. So this one we equate with 5 over 3. I want to ensure that we have 3 over 5 on both sides, like this. So to ensure that this becomes 3 over 5, I will take the reciprocal of this. So 3 over 5 raised to power x will be 3 over 5, then the reciprocal is just negative 1. 3 over 5 raised to power negative 1 is just the reciprocal of 3 over 5, or it is just 5 over 3. I have taken the reciprocal of this. Therefore, if this one is the same as this, then I equate the power. So, therefore, our value of x is negative 1. That is the value of x, and you can proceed to prove that the value of x is negative 1 by substituting the value of x here with negative 1. For example, on our left hand, we have 7 times 3 raised to power negative 1 plus 1 minus 5 raised to power negative 1 plus 2. Then, so this one is 7 times 3 raised to power. This is negative 1 plus 1, which is 0, minus 5 raised to power negative 1 plus 2 is 1. So here we have 7 times 3 raised to power 0 is 1, minus 5 raised to power 1. So this is 7 minus 5, which is 2. So on our left hand we have 2. Let us see whether we will get the same on our right hand. So on our right hand we have, that is 3. We have 3 raised to power x, that is raised to power negative 1 plus 4. Then minus 5 raised to power negative 1 plus 3. So I have 3 raised to power negative 1 plus 4 is 3, minus 5 raised to power negative 1 plus 3 is 2. So 3 raised to power 3 is 27, minus 5 squared is 25. Therefore, our answer becomes 2. So whatever we have on our left hand is the same as what we have gotten on our right hand. So that means our value of x is negative 1. So how I wish that you could subscribe, like, share, and comment.